teacher Kiplin Belga, and I am the one to discuss about how to keep the circulatory system healthy. Here are some suggestions to keep the circulatory healthy. Which one do you practice?
Red wine.
Minimize your sodium intake. Too much salt may cause complications in the organs like kidneys. Get enough sleep and exercise regularly.
Red wine.
Eat a balanced diet. A variety of food in your daily meal supply the necessary nutrients your body needs to be strong and healthy. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains are a good source of fiber, vitamins, sugar, among others. Avoid fatty foods that contain bad cholesterol. Some fats from cholesterol deposits in the blood vessels. Avoid harmful drugs, cigarettes, and alcohol. Alcohol intake can increase blood pressure and reacts with some medication. People who smoke and have high blood pressure may suffer from other diseases due to complications. Avoid crowded places to prevent catching a cold or flu. Take plenty of fluids and maintain balanced diet. To increase body resistance, take vitamins regularly.
Red wine.
Avoid standing or sitting for a long period of time without stretching or moving around. To avoid any infection, treat cuts and other breaks in the skin at once. Wear loose clothes to avoid restriction of blood circulation. Have a regular medical checkup from a physician. These are habits which should be practiced regularly to maintain a normal functioning of circulatory system. Once again, I am teacher Kiplin M. Belga, and good morning.
I stand here waiting for you to pay the call, to crash the critics.
Exercise regularly. So good.
If only flame hidden I
Nagsugod na. Cut.
being away from you
Eat a balanced diet. Oy, isang gabi.
Thing on.